Welcome back to my channel, Glossary of English. My name is Shweta and you're watching to me my this new channel. So today we will discuss about that how to start English speaking, and this is video only for beginners. Okay, so let's go to the video and discuss a topic that this is a whole video on beginners. Okay, so whatever I tell all the topic, you have just listen to carefully. Okay, so started. So first of all, you have to focus on first point is learn basic vocabulary. Do not use high words that you are not to learn it. That is why you have to start with simple word, and you have to start with daily conversation word. Okay, when you use the word for your all the days in activities you have to do it, then you are focus on your speaking. Okay, so first of all you have to speak simple vocabulary. Do not use high word and longest word. Okay, you get my point. Okay, so and the second is you have to use flashcards. Okay, I have to see this flashcards, that you have to take a paper. Okay, and take a paper and just write it and just and you have to stick on your wall, that you have to see on your in front of your wall every day, and you have to learn it. And many video I have to post that we how to learn vocabulary, so you have to check it out my all videos. Where is your problem? What is your problem? I have a solution in my previous videos. Okay, got it? And the second is practice pronunciation. Okay, when you do not proper say word, then another person do not understand that what he is and what she is saying it. So your pronunciation, it would be important in your language. So practice pronunciation. Okay, with multiple times, then you have to proper say the word. Okay, and listen to native speakers also. When you listen to carefully only the native speaker, that how to pronunciation is to be good, then all the learners have to learn it. Okay, and you have to take many resources of in YouTube and podcast, and many where resources are available on internet. You have to take a help of Google translator, and I have given to you pronunciation app to practicing it. There are many. You have to go the Play Store and just write it pronunciation, how to be good pronunciation. Then you have to see the list and take a one and upload it and just practicing it. Okay, and the number third is engage in simple conversation. You have to take a help on YouTube and just write it on conversation with simple words that we use have to daily. Then you have to watch it, because you are in the level, you have to beginner. Do not pressure on yourself. It is happening, and one day you have to very speak fluency in very fluency. I trust on you. Okay, that would I have to sit here and just say it, that you have to in the beginning level you focus on your simple words. and you have to start 5 minutes. Okay, got it? So this is the whole video on the only for beginners, because, and do not pressurize it, and do not think about the people there it mock at you, it will a job. Okay, and do not fun of you, and if any other person you have to fun of you, you have to also fun of your own. Okay, आप अपने आप पर ही हंस लो. Okay, so this is all the engage in simple conversation. You have to talk your friends, and you have to talk your new family. Okay, because you are very passionate about in English, practicing English, so that is you have to your give your efforts. Yes, and you give your effort, and you too see the results also. Okay, so do not be give up, daily practicing it. Take any topic and discuss to yourself, and you have to always, and everybody have mobile and Android phone also, and you have to just try yourself. Okay, thank. So, and the next topic is, and the fifth point is watch and listen. Okay, watch, that is you have to like videos, my videos, watch in English, and you have to just listen carefully that another person, any YouTuber, any teacher, any learner, what he is saying. Listen very carefully all the words, because that is used in your daily conversations. Okay, listen carefully, and you watch it movies. Do not take a very high, you have to take a simple. And I have uploaded a video in a separate video that which movie you have to see it and watch it. You have to which type of movies watch it, that you have English learnings to be good. Okay, and within, and just be help for your English language also. Okay, and you have to listen songs also, and I make a separate video on English songs. Okay, you have to check it out, and I have a give in a description box link, and link I have to send to you link in a description box also. You have to check it out and see songs. English is really good, because it enhance your, improve your English. You have to see new words, and you take a help for your mother tongue also. And okay, you have to write it in Hindi, and then you have to practice an English with 5 minutes daily. It's mandatory. Okay, you have to not practicing it, you have to not fluence in English in, मतलब आप नहीं हो सकते अगर आपको आपको मतलब प्रैक्टिस करनी ही करनी है. ओके, सो यही है. एंड द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज योर रीड अलाउड. You read any book that you have to take a textbook in class 10. You read, but in read aloud. When you have to just think about when you have to academic, and teacher say it, stand up, read this text and read aloud. What does it mean? When you read aloud, you have to three senses work it: your tongues, your eyes, and your ears. Okay, and because you have to see it, you have to, your tongue is, you have to, your tongue is okay, you have to understand what I am saying it. Okay, and your ear will be listening also. Got it? So you have to just if you are very desire on your English, speaking English, practicing English, you could anything. अगर आपको सीखना ही है इंग्लिश तो आप अपनी पूरी जान लगा दोगे, और ये एक हफ्ते में नहीं, 2 दिन में नहीं, 3 दिन में नहीं, आपको अपने मतलब you have to take a challenge for yourself, then you have to go to improve your English. It all the video on also be beginners, okay. And the next point is your record yourself. Everybody has Android phone, and you have just wasting your time in your watching reels. I know it, but you have to watch reels but in English. Just switch on. You have to just switch on. आप उसको बदल दो, इंग्लिश में देखो. जब आप इंग्लिश में देखोगे, उसे समझोगे, तब जाके आपको अपने ऊपर विश्वास होगा. एंड योर माइंड, दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट गेम चेंजर. योर माइंड इज़ ऑल अबाउट द गेम चेंजर व्हेन यू थिंकिंग, seeing every time, everywhere in English. You have to take dream in English also. आपको सपने भी आने लगेंगे इंग्लिश में. तो यही है मेरे, just record yourself, okay, in English, and check it out your all the mistakes. And mistake, it is a part of your in English language speaking, and that would be happening in all every person. Okay, and you have to, last is join English speaking classes. Okay, and you have to see recorded videos and my videos also. You have to see it, watch it, and also be, this is very helpful to you. Okay, so you have to watch it, all my videos, that will be happening, changing yourself. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel, and I have to upload it video for you daily. Subscribe my channel, like it. If you have any question in your mind, you have to just comment in, okay, in my comment box. Okay, so thank you so much. अपना ख्याल रखिए. Take care.